Did you know the financial world is changing faster than ever? If you're not paying attention to these key trends, you could be left behind. Imagine missing out on opportunities that could completely transform your financial future. So, are you ready to find out what could make or break your wealth in the coming years? The first trend you can't afford to ignore is the rise of digital currencies. Cryptocurrencies aren't just a passing trend. They're becoming a core part of the financial system. Big institutions like banks and governments are now adopting digital currencies. But here's the question. Are you ready to invest in the future of money, or will you watch from the sidelines? Next up, the explosion of decentralized finance, or DeFi. This is a game changer. DeFi takes traditional banking services, like loans, savings, and trading, and puts them into the hands of the people, no middleman required. It's a whole new world of finance. So, do you want to be part of a financial revolution where you control your money? Then, there's the shift to green and sustainable investments. The wealthy are pouring money into companies that focus on sustainability because that's where the future is heading. But what about you? Are your investments future-proof, or are you stuck in industries that are becoming outdated? If you're serious about long-term wealth, it's time to align your money with the trends that matter. Another massive trend is the rise of artificial intelligence in finance. AI is changing how we invest, how we manage risk, and how we grow wealth. Imagine having technology that predicts market trends and helps you make smarter decisions. But the real question is, are you tapping into this power, or are you stuck relying on outdated strategies? Now let's talk about the future of work and its impact on your finances. Remote work and freelancing are becoming the new norm. Traditional jobs are being replaced by gig economy opportunities. But here's the kicker. This shift isn't just about where you work, but how you manage your money. Are you prepared to adapt to a world where stable, lifelong careers might no longer exist? If these trends are opening your eyes to what's possible, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with others who need to hear this, and subscribe for more insights that will shape your financial future. Drop a comment below. What's your biggest financial goal for 2025? I'd love to hear what you're working toward. Let's talk about inflation and how it's reshaping the way we need to think about saving and investing. Inflation is hitting hard, and the cost of living is rising. Traditional savings accounts just aren't cutting it anymore. Your money needs to grow faster than inflation, or you're losing value every year. So how are you planning to outpace inflation? Are you investing wisely, or is your cash just sitting there losing value? And finally, we have the trend of personal finance education. More people than ever are waking up to the need for financial literacy. Courses, apps, and tools to help manage money are everywhere. But the question is, are you taking advantage of these resources? The wealthy don't just rely on others to manage their money. They become experts themselves. So, how much do you really know about managing your money, and how much are you relying on someone else? Here's a quote I want you to remember as you navigate these trends. The best investment you can make is in your own education and future. This advice has guided the wealthiest people in the world, and it's just as powerful for you. As we wrap up, remember this. The future of finance isn't just about the trends. It's about how you adapt and take advantage of them. The choices you make today will shape your financial future. Will you be ready to seize the opportunities in front of you, or will you let them pass by? The power to build wealth is in your hands, and there's no better time to start than right now. Take control, take action, and never stop learning. You've got this! Make sure to subscribe, leave a comment about your biggest financial challenge, and stay tuned for more videos that will help you navigate the path to financial success. The future is yours. Are you ready to shape it?